The Pi network community stands on the edge of a major transformation. Pioneers, your early belief is about to be rewarded. A groundbreaking announcement is coming, one that could redefine digital money. After November 28, 2025, a surge of capital from Europe is expected to flow into Pi network. This isn't just an update, it's the start of a financial revolution. For years you've mined Pi, built the community, and waited patiently. Now, your digital coins are about to gain real-world value. The Pi network's vision, cryptocurrency for everyone, is about to become reality. Soon, Pi will connect to the global economy, empowering individuals everywhere. This is the power of decentralization, financial access for all, regardless of background. Stay alert and follow official updates from the Pi core team. The next steps will guide you through this new era. This is more than an investment. It's a movement. You're helping build the future of money. Every pioneer's dedication has led to this moment. Prepare for a new chapter in financial history. The revolution isn't coming. It's here, and you're at its heart. Get ready to witness the transformation of digital finance. What is Pi network? It's a new kind of digital money, cryptocurrency you can mine on your phone. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi doesn't require expensive hardware or massive energy use. Started by Stanford grads, Pi's goal is simple: make crypto accessible to everyone. Mining Pi is as easy as tapping a button daily, proving you're a real person and securing the network. This proof-of-stake approach is eco-friendly and fair, distributing coins widely. Pi's mainnet has been enclosed, meaning no trading with outside currencies until now. This phase built a strong foundation, tested technology, and grew a massive community. Now Pi is preparing to open up to the world. Soon, you'll be able to use Pi for real purchases or exchange it for other currencies. Pi isn't just a coin, it's a full ecosystem: browser, wallet, and developer platform. The digital world of Pi is about to be unveiled. Get ready for Pi's next big leap. The launch of the Pi DEX mainnet is a game-changer. A DEX, decentralized exchange, lets users trade digital currencies without a central authority. With the mainnet live, Pi trading becomes real, and its price is set by the market. Before this, Pi's value was just speculation. Now, supply and demand will decide. This is called price discovery. The true market value emerges as people buy and sell. Businesses can now reference Pi's real price, making it a legitimate asset. The DEX mainnet isn't just technical, it's Pi's economic birth. Pi transforms from an in-app reward to a globally traded currency. This foundation enables the expected European liquidity to impact Pi's value directly. All your mining and community building leads to this. The DEX mainnet launch is the starting gun for Pi's entry into global finance. The world will finally see what Pi is truly worth. The journey to real value begins now. Liquidity inflow means big money entering the Pi market. High liquidity lets you buy or sell Pi easily, without wild price swings. Soon, major European investors and institutions will bring massive capital into Pi. Why now? Pi is about to become a regulated, tradable asset in the EU. This gives big investors the confidence to join in. When they invest, millions, or billions, can flow in, driving demand and price. The Pi market, once a small pond, is about to become a lake. This new money will stabilize and mature the market. Pioneers will find it easier to buy and sell Pi. The timing is tied to the DEX launch and new EU regulations. The floodgates are about to open. Get ready for a transformed Pi ecosystem. Pi network is now fully compliant with MiCA, the EU's new crypto regulation. MiCA creates one clear rulebook for all European crypto projects. For Pi, this is a golden ticket: official recognition as a regulated digital asset. Legal risks are gone, and big investors have the green light. MyCA compliance paves the way for Pi to be listed on major European exchanges like OKCoin and OKX. This means millions of new buyers and greater credibility. Before MyCA, top-tier listings were nearly impossible. Now, the path is clear. The market responded instantly. Pi's price jumped 15% after the announcement. Regulatory clarity inspires investor confidence and unlocks new markets. MyCA compliance isn't just paperwork, it's access to Europe's wealthiest markets. Pi now stands apart from thousands of unregulated projects. The door to Europe is wide open. Pi's price tells a story of growing optimism. After MyCA compliance, Pi broke through the key 25-cent resistance level, a bullish signal. Trading volume soared, and market cap hit $1.88 billion. The price climbed 10% in a week, holding strong above 24.6 cents. Technical indicators like the Chaikin money flow and RSI show strong buying momentum. Money is flowing into Pi faster than ever, confirming big investors are active. All signs point upward: price jumps, high volume, and bullish indicators. This isn't random, it's a direct response to regulatory news and the coming DEX launch. The market is anticipating the European liquidity inflow. Pi's recent surge is just a preview of what's possible. The stage is set for even bigger moves. Watch these levels. They're the pulse of Pi's future. The optimism is real and the momentum is building. Real value capture means Pi is finally absorbing real-world economic value. For years, Pi's worth was based on community and potential, not real money. The DEX mainnet changes that. Now Pi can be traded for dollars, euros, and more. Every transaction brings real money into the Pi ecosystem. Businesses accepting Pi for goods and services further anchor its value. Apps built on Pi, like Pi AI Studio, create new ways to use and spend Pi. Tipping creators, buying in-game items, these activities boost demand and value. The goal: a self-sustaining digital economy where Pi is essential. As more real value enters, Pi's worth grows for everyone. The shift from potential to tangible value is underway. In crypto, big investors are called whales. They move markets. Right now, whales are buying Pi, not selling. On-chain data shows large wallets accumulating millions of Pi coins. This is a strong vote of confidence in Pi's future. Market indicators confirm. Big money is driving the buying pressure. Whales are positioning themselves ahead of the expected European liquidity wave. For pioneers, this is a powerful signal. Smart money believes in Pi. When whales buy, it often means good news is coming. Their research and actions align with the hopes of the Pi community. The stage is set for a major financial event. Pi's price will be shaped by two forces: its own market dynamics and the broader crypto landscape. Key support at 24.6 cents and resistance at 26 cents are crucial. Watch these levels. European liquidity could shatter resistance and drive prices higher. But Pi's fate is also tied to Bitcoin, the market leader. When Bitcoin rises, Pi often follows. When it falls, Pi can be pulled down. Recent Bitcoin dips have capped Pi's gains, despite good news. For Pi to soar, a strong Bitcoin market is essential. The best scenario: Pi's momentum combines with a bullish Bitcoin for explosive growth. As a pioneer, you're part of this revolution. Stay informed, be patient, and watch your early faith shape the future of finance. The next chapter is about to be written. The world is watching Pi. Are you ready for what's next?